Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel Langlet Guides Multiple Choice Question Series. We are here today to discuss some important MCQs on the topic the model millionaire. But before starting, we are on the road to 3K. So consider sharing these videos with your friends and smacking that subscribe button if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's go on to the MCQs. Question number 1. The model millionaire has been written by dash dash. Options are A. Indian writer R.K. Narayan, B. American writer O. Henry, C. Indian writer Ruskin Bond, or D. Irish writer Oscar Wilde. Correct option is D. Irish writer Oscar Wilde. Question number 2. Which play is called the masterpiece of Oscar Wilde? Options are A. The Importance of Being Earnest, B. An Ideal Husband, C. Lady Windermere's Fan, or D. For Love of the King. Correct option is A. The Importance of Being Earnest. Question number 3. What is the theme of the story of the model millionaire? Options are A. Patriotism, B. Appearances can be deceptive, or do not judge a book by its cover, C. Quest for identity, or D. Racial discrimination. Correct option is B. Appearances can be deceptive, or do not judge a book by its cover. Question number 4. The model millionaire ends with twist and full of humor and dash dash. Options are A. Irony, B. Absurdity, C. Mockery, or D. Silliness. Correct option is A. Irony. Question number 5. The model millionaire is a humorous, light-hearted and sympathetic story written in dash dash narration. Options are A. Omniscient, B. First person, C. Second person, or D. Third person. Correct option is D. Third person. Question number 6. Who is the main character or protagonist of the model millionaire? Options are A. Laura Merton, B. Alan Trevor, C. Baron Horsburgh, or D. Eugene Erskine. Correct option is D. Eugene Erskine. Question number 7. Who is Laura Merton? Options are A. Eugene's beloved, B. Alan Trevor's wife, C. Baron Horsburgh's sister, or D. Baron Horsburgh's friend. Correct option is A. Eugene's beloved. Question number 8. Laura Merton is the daughter of a retired dash dash. Options are A. Major, B. Brigadier, C. Colonel, or D. Captain. Correct option is C. Colonel. Question number 9. Eugene Erskine, a poor, handsome, unsuccessful and young fellow who dash dash. Options are A. Misjudges his wife, B. Misjudges his boss, C. Misjudges his parents, or D. Misjudges the beggar. Correct option is D. Misjudges the beggar. Question number 10. Eugene had tried every profession dash dash. Options are A. But was not happy in anyone, B. And got satisfaction in all, C. But ultimately gave up all, or D. And got success in all. Correct option is C. But ultimately gave up all. Question number 11. Why did Eugene give the model a sovereign? Options are A. He is a donor, B. Being sympathetic for him, C. The model asked him for money, or D. He wants to become famous. Correct option is B. Being sympathetic for him. Question number 12. How many characters are painted in the story The Model Millionaire? Options are A. 5, B. 4, C. 3, or D. 6. Correct option is D. 6. Question number 13. Who is Monsieur Gustave Nordin? Options are A. Baron Horsburgh's servant, B. Baron Horsburgh's brother, C. Baron Horsburgh's friend, or D. Baron Horsburgh's boss. Correct option is A. Baron Horsburgh's servant. Question number 14. Why was Eugene shocked to hear Trevor? Options are A. The beggar was a thief, B. The beggar was a good painter, C. The beggar was rich person, or D. The beggar was very poor. Correct option is C. The beggar was rich person. Question number 15. Eugene is a poor, unsuccessful and neglected fellow while Baron is a dash dash successful and respected person. Options are A. Whimsical, B. Wealthy, C. Vagabond, or D. Faddist. Correct option is B. Wealthy. Question number 16. Laura has spiritual while the colonel has dash dash approach towards love. Options are A. Passionate, B. Emotive, C. Emotional, or D. Materialistic. Correct option is D. Materialistic. Question number 17. UG Erskine's father bequeaths him his dash dash and a history of the Peninsular War in 15 volumes. Options are A. Studio, B. Farmhouse, C. Cavalry Sword, or D. Gold Biscuits. Correct option is C. Cavalry Sword. Question number 18. UG Erskine tries to make his career in the dash dash, a tea merchant and selling dry sherry. Options are A. Armed Forces, B. Stock Exchange, C. Travel Agency, or D. Post Office. Correct option is B. Stock Exchange. Question number 19. Why does the colonel not allow UG to marry his daughter? Options are A. He is ugly, B. He is aged, C. He is not handsome, or D. He is poor and jobless. Correct option is D. He is poor and jobless. Question number 20. The colonel never gives permission to Hughie and his daughter's engagement until Hughie is owner of dash dash. Options are A. 10,000 pounds, B. 20,000 pounds, C. 15,000 pounds, or D. 5,000 pounds. Correct option is A. 10,000 pounds. Question number 21. How did Hughie respond when he heard that Trevor told the beggar about his private life? Options are A. Surprised or astonished, B. Angry, C. Amused, or D. Furious. Correct option is D. Furious. Question number 22. Whom did the beggar's old suit belong to? Options are A. Hughie's uncle, B. Hughie, C. Trevor, or D. Trevor's father. Correct option is C. Trevor. Question number 23. Who is Annan Trevor? Options are A. A dancer, B. A painter, C. A writer, or D. A wrestler. Correct option is B. A painter. Question number 24. How did the author describe Hughie Erskine in the story? Options are A. Handsome but traitor, B. Lovable but cheater, C. Ugly old man, or D. Young, lovable, handsome, and jobless. Correct option is D. Young, lovable, handsome, and jobless. Question number 25. Why couldn't Hughie marry Laura? Options are A. Her father opposed the proposal, B. She was not pretty, C. He was poor and jobless, or D. He was not handsome. Correct option is C. He was poor and jobless. Question number 26. Why was the beggar anxious to know about Hughie Erskine? Options are A. Because Hughie gave him a sovereign, B. Because Hughie gave him a suit, C. Hughie gave him his property, or D. Because Hughie gave him shelter. Correct option is A. Because Hughie gave him a sovereign. Question number 27. Why did Hughie think the beggar deserved a share of Trevor's earning? Options are A. The beggar is very poor, B. Model's work is hard as painters, C. The beggar spends time, or D. The beggar has no relative. Correct option is B. Model's work is hard as painters. Question number 28. Where did Hughie meet Alan Trevor at Restless Night? Options are A. Richmond Club, B. Allen Club, C. Palette Club, or D. Peter Club. Correct option is C. Palette Club. Question number 29. What do you mean by baron? Options are A. Person from rural area, B. Person from criminal family, C. Person from poor family, or D. Person from high family. Correct option is D. Person from high family. Question number 30. What do you mean by sovereign? Options are A. Supreme authority, B. Old British coin, C. Good painter, or D. Name of studio. Correct option is B. Old British coin. Question number 31. What do you mean by alms? Options are A. Money given to poor, B. Beggar, C. Painter, or D. God. Correct option is A. Money given to poor. Question number 32. What is UG's source of income? Options are A. Service, B. Sells paintings, C. House rent, or D. Aunt pays £200 annually. Correct option is D. Aunt pays £200 annually. Question number 33. What did Hughie receive from Baron? Options are A. Check of £10,000, B. Check of £15,000, C. Check of £12,000, or D. Check of £20,000. Correct option is A. Check of £10,000. Question number 34. How long did Hughie work at the stock exchange? Options are A. 2 years, B. 3 years, C. 6 years, or D. 6 months. Correct option is D. 6 months. Question number 35. Why was Baron Horsburgh dressed like a beggar? Options are A. To become generous, B. To show him poor, C. To get his portrait, or D. To save money. Correct option is C. To get his portrait. Question number 36. Why did Gustave visit Hughie? Options are A. To give him check, B. To congratulate, C. To bless, or D. To curse. Correct option is A. To give a check. Question number 37. What did Hughie think the Baron thought of him? Options are A. Clever, B. Sympathetic, C. Duffer, or D. Loafer. Correct option is C. Duffer. Question number 38. Who gave a speech at the wedding breakfast? Options are A. The Colonel, B. Anna Trevor, C. Gustave, or D. Baron. Correct option is D. Baron. Question number 39. Where did the Mertons, which is Colonel and his family, live? Options are A. Richmond Park, B. Holland Park, C. Yorkshire National Park, or D. Dartmoor National Park. Correct option is B. Holland Park. Question number 40. What was Trevor doing when Hughie entered in his studio? Options are A. Giving final touch to life-size portrait, B. Taking a photograph, C. Repairing the camera, or D. Cleaning the studio. Correct option is A. Giving final touch to life-size portrait. Question number 41. Where does the story take place, or what is the setting of the story? Options are A. Manchester, B. Scotland, C. London, or D. Derbyshire. Correct option is C. London. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.